Hi, dear kids. Happy New Year. Can you sing the song of 新年好 that you learned in our last week's lesson? As the year 2023, the year of the rabbit in China is approaching. Let's learn a cute Chinese song about little rabbits together.
小兔子乖乖，小兔子乖乖，把门开开，快点儿开开，我要进来。不开不开，我不开，妈妈没回来，谁来也不开。小兔子乖乖，把门开开，快点儿开开，我要进来。就开就开，我就开，妈妈回来了，快点把门开。
小兔子乖乖 Oh, good little rabbit. 把门开开 Open up the door. 快点儿开开 Open it quickly. 我要进来 I want to come in. 不开不开，我不开 No, no, I will not open it. 妈妈没回来 My mama has not returned. 谁来也不开 No matter who it is, I will not open the door. 就开就开，我就开 Okay, okay, I will open it right away. 妈妈回来了 Mom has returned. 快点把门开 I will open the door right away. Let's listen the song again. Remember to sing along.
小兔子乖乖，把门开开，快点儿开开，我要进来。不开不开，我不开，妈妈没回来，谁来也不开。小兔子乖乖，把门开开，快点儿开开，我要进来。就开就开，我就开，妈妈回来了，快点把门开。
Dear kids, can you sing 小兔子乖乖 now? I hope you can sing the song more until you are familiar with it. And you can share it to your friends too. Click in our bio to get a free 1-to-1 trial lesson. We will introduce more interesting and useful Chinese lessons in the future. So please stay tuned.